Good evening, ma'am. I am going to share my demo video for grade 5 in computers, and I am choosing topic classification of computers. In classification of computer, they are classified into three types. First type is by type of or principle of operation. Second is size of configuration, and third is by purpose. So the principle of operation means the computer which are specially designed for operation base. The difference between the operation of the systems. And third is configuration means the quality, size and expenses of the systems. Third is purpose means the computer which are specially designed for special tasks. Now coming on the principle of operations. So here I am taking the first app type of principle of operation, that is analog. The analog computer always gives us result in the form of graphs like this. They always gives us the result in the form of graph, which is not easy to understand for us. It always take the measurement and process it. It always process on the basis of measurements and gives the result in the form of graphs, and which is not easy to understand for us. Sometimes we also see in hospitals, doctor are monitoring the patient's condition on the machines, and machine represent these kinds of graph. Okay, so these graph only doctor can understand, we are not. We only know the meaning ki, the graph is running like this, it means the patient is live, and when the graph giving us a straight line means no more. We only know this much. We don't know about the mid and the upside of these graphs. So for understanding of the common peoples, they design digital computer which always gives us result in the form of zeros and ones, means in the form of digit. So we also can understand it, but it only gives the result in the form of 0 and 1s, means it only give the result in the form of digits, not 0 and 1. It gives the result, it process 0 ones and give the result in the form of digits, which we can understand. Okay, it only can process 0 and 1. So means some advantage analog having, some advantage digital computers having, but they also having some disadvantages. Means uh, analog computers are up giving us approximate result. It has speed, whether digital computer, it is giving us accurate result, but it has less speed in compared to analog, and also it gives us approximate result in the comparison of analog. Coming to hybrid computer. Hybrid computer is the combination of analog computer and digital computer. So after that, it can process the value in the measurement form and give us the result in the digit formation. Like, I'm giving you an example. We are going to petrol pump, and we said the person to fill 1 liter petrol in my scooty. So he is going to fill, means we give in the measurement formation, means 1 liter is in the measurement formation, and after giving this instruction, the amount of 1 liter petrol gives in the form of digital. So hybrid computer can measure the value as well as digit, means it gives us the result in the form of 100. Like I suggest, take value of 1 liter is 100, so it gives us the result in the form of hundreds. Okay, now coming to the size or configuration. So I am taking the size in increasing form, means the smallest one is the top first system, and after, while we step down, the system size, price and quality is going to be increases. Okay, now come let's talk about microcomputer. First, I am taking microcomputer, so I am going to talk about microcomputer. In this time, the invention of microprocessor means single chip CPU gave birth to the much cheaper microcomputer. Means in this time we develop CPUs which gives the birth of cheapest computer. Before that, the price of computers are very high and it is not easy to afford for everyone. And here they classified into some categories like desktop computer, laptop computers, and handheld computers. Desktop computer which can be placed on any desk or any tables, okay. And laptop, we uses laptop for journey purpose also. Laptops are very portable, we can travel with that laptops. And after that, handheld, they all are too easy to hold, like our mobile phone, they are kept under our pockets. Coming to mini computer, so mini computer, they are designed for doing special purpose tasks. And mini computer are lower to mainframe computers term of speed and storage, and they are also less expensive than mainframe. Means it is cheaper than mainframe and expensive than microcomputers, okay. So some of the features of mainframe computer will not be available in mini computer, hence their performance also will less in comparison to mainframe computer. If we compare mainframe and mini, so mainframe having more features than mainframe. And similarly, when we compare mini computer or microcomputer, they also having difference. Now coming on mainframe computer, so mainframe computers are also process data at very high speed, that is 100 of million instruction per second. They can take 100 of millions of instruction in just 1 second. They are large in size and occupy the space of a room. It takes approximate one room. Okay. Need to cooling requirements as well, and we also require too much cooling machines on that room because they need to cool, perform multiple jobs and support hundred of user. It can do multiple tasks with the multiple user, and hundreds of user can work in same time. Normally they were used in banking, airlines and railways for their applications. Next, mainframes are done. Now supercomputer. Supercomputer having the largest in supercomputer, they are best in the term of processing capacity and also the most expensive ones. These computer can process billion of instruction per second. Like in mainframe they are perform hundred of millions, but in supercomputer they perform billions of instruction in 1 second. Perhaps the best known supercomputer manufacturers is Cray Research. Means some of the traditional companies which produce supercomputers are Cray, IBM, they Hewlett Packard. They all are the best company who designed the supercomputer. Now coming on general purpose computer. So general purpose computers are those computer which is basically designed for space for general tasks like our daily routine tasks. Like some machines are there. Now general purpose computer. Purpose computer are designed and developed for day-to-day tasks and operations. Some examples are there like notebooks, tablets, computers. They are inexpensive compared to special computers, and they are compact. They are readily available in the market, and the maintenance of general purpose computers are very cheap. so they are portable. Now come to special purpose computer. So they are designed and developed for specific tasks, for particular tasks. Like examples: workstation, servers, personal digital uh, assistants. Means they are especially designed for workstation, like they are designed for specific works. They are expensive, they are quicker and have in they are quicker and have enormous storage capacity compared to general purpose computer, and they are not easy to port any from one place to any other place. They are big in size. Thank you so much. I have given this demo video to you. I hope you will like it. Thank you, ma'am.